Alrighty, guys, we need to talk about something so you guys do not make this mistake again. For all my Discord members, if you are swing trading this, you need to wait, for time distance. And when I explain this to the newer members, when price is at all the EMAs, you never buy the first big red candle down. You just never. Because what happens is this is your falling knife. Who's to say this stock is going to bounce at $1.50, even 10 cents, and now it's at, after hours, it's at 7 cents? Now, I will tell you guys, if you wanted to day trade this, I'm going to show you guys how to day trade one of these big bounces like this, and always trade it end of day. That is going to be your best choice. But for us, my swing trading community, and for people who are trying to bath in this, well, if you look at the news, you can always read up what's going on. So right here on Webull, you can look at the news tab, and you can see that WTO shares are trading lower by 93% after the company announced the signing of a non-disclosure agreement with Bowen Therapeutics. So that's the big news that happened here, causing this thing to go down. I think this should not be allowed. I mean, 96% down in one day. A lot of people's lives, got wrecked. A lot of people that are new to trading, probably bought this dip down, and because it goes on the screeners, and they think, this is a good area. You can't trade based on gut and feeling. I'm telling you guys, you'll lose all the time. Your gut and feeling is always wrong. You trade based on a system. If you didn't have a system, then, you'd be chaos. You'd be looking at every stock and be like, oh, it's down this much, I'm buying it. There's no rhyme or reason to this. And now, if you use my system, you will say, well, this clearly is not a buy for swing trading. And if you're looking at it, it's because there's no time distance. I have to give this thing at least 7 daily candles away from the EMA 5. So we are just now touching here, so I would have to see 7 daily candles away from it. And then I also don't trade under 10 cents, as those are extremely risky. So if you follow these patterns, you will win consistently after consistently. You wouldn't be, back in the day, I would have traded this and probably got my A. Like, I would have probably got wrecked by it. And because I see a lot of people on Twitter, if you search on Twitter, a lot of people are just pumping the heck out of this, saying back to $2 next week. And they're saying all these things. And I mean, this thing's going to be the next 10xer, and I'm just like, no. I mean, look at this: 500 million volume, 98% haircut, bounce to 0.20. No, this is just insane. What we got to do is cut out the pumpers, trade a system that works, guys. I promise you, if you take this system to the T and actually do it, accumulate properly, you will win a lot of your trades. The hardest thing is fighting yourself. So this didn't even faze me. I didn't care how low this thing went. I had no desire to trade it because of what my system showed me and how I just managed not to get wrecked by this. I would never get wrecked by that. Because the first candle you always ignore and you wait for time distance. Now, if you wanted to trade it end of day, use the 5-minute candle. As you can see, this EMA 20 will get hit. Just like in a daily candle, the EMA 5, 10, and 20 will get hit, but they get hit in a very slower return. So when you see price heading all down like this, and it hasn't hit the EMA 20 all day, you could take it towards the end of the day. Towards the end of the day, you get a nice little rally here. And what kind of rally you would have got here? Well, you would have got about a 60% rally from the lows to the high. That's how I would trade it, because price has to go back to the 5, 10, and 20. After it does that, it can do whatever the heck it wants to do. But this was a nice little rally for the people that just wanted to day trade it. But if you're swing trading this and you're using the daily candle, there's no trade here, guys. We're not even at the ATR4. We got to give it some time distance, and that's about it. Okay, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, definitely join. I promise you, I'll get you guys. I'll get you guys to be professional traders. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Head on over to Server Shop, and I offer 2 memberships: the Swing Trading and Day and Swing Trading Plus. $12 a month. If you subscribe on computer, it's a flat rate, and you get access to everything. But I just wanted to make this quick video, and I'm sure my baby is crying. I'm going to get back to him. I'll keep you guys updated. Peace out.